Check out our newest feature release, draft, published, and versions right inside of funnels and websites. This new feature update is going to make it really easy for you to start saving those funnels, iterating, and playing with your designs before you go ahead and publish. Why this matters and how it's going to help you. Now you can save drafts to iterate and collaborate on content creation before deciding to go ahead and push publish. You can also choose from different versions of content and attach domains seamlessly. You'll also be able to easily manage and set live versions from a version list. One of the things I really love about this is it allows you to be a little bit more brave with your updates and your creativity so that you know that when you publish that new website or funnel, it's going to be exactly what you wanted to be in front of people. So first, I'm going to have you create either a new funnel or a website. And for this, we're going to go ahead and utilize funnels. So first, go ahead and go to Sites on the left-hand navigation, and then up to Funnels on the upper navigation when that opens up. And now, once you've got that funnel all ready to go ahead and click the Edit button on the first page of your funnel. Now you're going to see the Publish button right next to the Save button. Keep in mind that now you can utilize the Save button without publishing. Once you're ready, you'll be able to use the Publish button. What's really cool about this is if you haven't selected a domain yet, it's going to let you know you need to go ahead and select that domain. And now you're going to see this pop-up happen, and it's really seamless. You can just simply attach your new funnel or website right to the domain that you'd like that to be connected to. You'll also now see this little time clock in the upper right-hand corner. This is going to open up and it's going to allow you to see all of the different versions. So when you click on that, this is what it's going to look like. And now you'll see this restore version come up in the upper right-hand side. On the left, you'll see all of the different versions as well as date stamps and anything else you might need. This way you can go ahead and click on any of those and then restore that version. We really hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.